Hey everybody, it's Justin here with Lightz, and today I'm going to give you an overview of the Whelen HHS3200 Siren controller. So this is perfect unit for anyone who just needs a simple handheld siren and controller in one without all the capabilities or rather complexities that you would get with a full core system. So with this unit, it's going to include a handheld controller and all of the wiring you need to get set up and going. It's got this handheld controller with this cable here, but it also extends with the included extension cable up to 20 feet. For the controller, you have this legend sheet here. It has these square ones, which are going to fill in your 9 buttons on the bottom, and those can be programmed, which I'll show you just a moment here. Those can be programmed to control external lights. And then your buttons up here on top are just numbers, and that's where you're going to put these here, and those are going to control your siren. These get covered up with a plastic cover and get protected, and they're backlit as well. So included in the bag, along with your extension kit for your handheld controller, are all of your wiring harnesses which plug in here. So let me show you what this looks like here. This is your relay power here. Each output supports 10 amps, and then you have one that supports 15 amps. They're all individually fused, so if you accidentally cross wires on outputs here, you can check the fuse and replace it and it won't blow your whole system. The system power is located over here, so you'll need to connect power to both to be able to get the power for your outputs as well as the power for the system. Then you have a siren output. You can use 1 or 2 100-watt sirens, and then these are going to be all your smart functions. So this is where you're going to program your horn ring, park kill, your radio broadcast, so on and so forth. This is also going to be your ignition activation, so you need to make sure you connect that to power the system on. And then you have a USB plug here, which I'll show you in a moment, where you can connect it to Whelen Command on your Windows computer, and you can control all the programming here. Now it does come with some preset programming. Now I'm not smart enough to remember all that, but you want to check the instruction manual to see which tones and functionalities come preset in here. But if you want all of the functionality unlocked, you're going to want to connect that to the computer software. And last but not least, you have a mic clip that's included as well. So that's pretty much the system. Again, it's a very easy system, very powerful system, but it's not going to give you that complexity that you get with something else. Now, let's jump over to the laptop and I'll show you some of the programming functions that you have. All right, so once we got Whelen Command open and of course our HHS3200 plugged in with the USB-C cable, we'll go down the list here and we'll select HHS3200. We can name our unit here or we can continue. Now here's where all the meat and potatoes is of this unit. So you can control all of your 9 buttons on the bottom of the unit to be different functions or control external lights. You can set it to be a momentary switch, or you can set it to be press on, press off. You can set it to be a double press on once, double press off. It can be a security timer and so on and so forth. You see all the options that you have here. You can also set this to control your park kill or some of your other functions as well. Now you can also set one button to activate other buttons. So if you wanted this button to turn on, say, these 2 buttons here, you can do that by setting up one of these outputs here. And then you can also program your tones from here. Again, you're going to typically want to program your tones for these top buttons, which can be done here. And then last option that's pretty important to mention is so you can set the backlight to be on these or off, or turn on when you press the button. You can have it just off by default. You can have it always on, so on and so forth. So that's where all this can be done. So it's pretty straightforward, pretty easy to use. And then you also want to mention you have your 37 different siren tones here that you can program as well. So pretty easy, pretty straightforward, but you'll definitely want to use this software to unlock all the capabilities of this unit. So that's it. That's the Whelen HHS3200. These are in stock and available at ultrabrightlights.com. If you have any other questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.